Please sound. Oh, there we go. Oh, no, hear me. As I was saying, I have lots of plans for today. 3 goals I want to get accomplished, and hopefully, clear the stream. Not garbage to post the link real quick. Should be good. All right, we are done. Now I have 3 goals for today. Number 1, I want to make sure that the TC actually compatible with iOS's TCP sockets. I've tested on Mac OS. People today earlier finding wasn't like completely working fine. So let's test that. Number 2, after we fix that, I want to see if I can put it on the device itself to make sure I'm not wasting time. Number 3, I want to implement some better logging method. The way that I'm logging right now, kind of dirty. Hold up. I'm gonna write a new test. What that will do is we're gonna bind to the socket, and then we'll create a new TCP connect to port. What is it? I've written some of this before down. When I tried to implement this myself, I have some of it. Here it is. 670. All right. What do you mean? How have I done this in the past? I just worked. Here to whatever. Oh, now you catch the handle. Just want to make. Oh, you almost wrote Python. Gross. Crit. Oh. Alright, specify one. I forgot. Specify a test. Okay. Go test. Yeah. Called it. open up the iPad. Let me make my phone. I just have my phone. I don't want messing things up. Oh, got a successful heartbeat. Why did this? Why is this? Oh. Sure. Okay. I think it's just okay. No, that is not it. Okay, so I had it right. I got it right the first. Not printing. Hello. Oh, it is. Just wasn't next thing. That is what we expected. TCP. And these like a bunch of echoes. Perfect. Now that created the connect. Never received the handle, did we? Yeah, otherwise we ended it right there. Or got that back. Bird. Now. Hello. Boy, this is different. On right. Wonder if my endpoint is the wrong address. Oop. Targeting the right IP. Not going today. What? Kind of confused right now. iPhone work better? The iPhone's working. Oh. So I guess angry iPad. All right. Well, guess you guys have to trust me. We are going to data. Good. Look up the whole thing again. Upstairs. Here. That over. Unwrap. Boy. Why does it hate this? Oh. It's going to leave. See. And then I want this printed as hex, upper hex. Gotta memorize those incantations. Oh, this is an event, not a. That's not. Oh, is it? I implemented that trait. Back on this. Build thing. Okay, so we sent the packet that I told it to. Creates it. So this packet decoder parser. What is this? Synchronize. Then after this, send that. Does it say you're being? It does act correctly. Then packet. Where we act. Asking for a reset. What in? All right. So what I'm guessing is happening that lockdown is not expecting this packet yet. Which is strange because I'm pretty sure that I've tried this in the past. Try this out. I don't know code accessible. Try that right now. Let's put some Wireshark in. So let's see if the console is up my in. What the heck just happened? Ping or connect. Now we'll write the ping. There we go. Oh, that is. Oh yeah. Okay. What is going? Code not working left and right. So it fills in. Let's see if we even. Oh boy. There. Connected thing. Messages. Also not. What? Oh, I didn't. Professional programmer here. Oh, what does this even mean? Okay, I'm looking through the comments. A great idea. This worked before, right? Pretty sure. Good. All the tech broke some. What is going on? Or okay, so it is you done 5. Let's go. What? Now that I put the wire shark to it, like, oh, we better clean up our act. Honestly. Also, working. There we go. It was just taking a while to come up with the random data. All right, though. Not much if this actually passes. And perfect. Okay. I didn't go crazy and that this whole thing worked. Next on. Yeah, fixing this. That's illegal. Okay, thank you, Wireshark. You were helpful. Okay, whack. Able to actually get a connection so we can actually send data. But receiving does not work. Still. That's disappointing. Because this looks like another ACK and then an immediate reset. I'm just sending the wrong data. Sure. Look in iDevice right here. Pretty sure this code worked. So we create a new one. We create the struct properties, label wait, and then we immediately get the service type. Service type is the one that creates that query. Why don't we just actually put this into Wireshark? The iPhone. .48. Open up API. Filter it with IP address. 1.48. Does it show up? Where's that one? Go. Got the sent the T are out of order. Doesn't even send a synchronized packet. Like over a different interface? That would be really. That's it? Wouldn't be this one. Solo. Oh, not that one. This one. I think it would be. But anyway. Oh, that's just how does it? What is it going over? What's it doing? Talk to. Okay, it has to go over one of these. Over one of these interfaces. Well, AP1. You will try. No, it is not that one. I don't think it'll be Ethernet 11. Oh, for this one. We'll just anyway. But it is not. But if 0 even. All right. Ain't any of those. We could write code. Did force go over Wi-Fi? Like a lot of effort to figure a silly little. Format. Put it through too much. I guess streaming on it is too much for it. Even though I unplugged the display link. Oh. Who wrote this? Hash. Hurry up. I need this. Did change some of this. Who is no longer there. Up, up, go. You guys have like 4 more cores. What are you doing? Goodness, we do not need to combine. Assemble. Push. What are we pushing? Oh my goodness, this is the exact same thing I was trying to push. was literally the exact same thing I was trying to push. It doesn't even have anything before it, right? Been there. Segment number. So after then is still one, but we're 284. Are we acknowledging? I don't remember. Color some. Is it correct? Sending. I. Nice. Some reason setting the sequence to 5 because should have already sent 4 bytes, right? 4 bytes should have already sent. So that puts our sequence at 5 and we can actually push. Maybe it didn't like sending crap. Let's try that. Secret tunnel. Oh my god. My poor laptop is going. Let's another vector. There's your one, 8. Because I think I've seen it do this in the past where it just random. Let's try that. Is it going to work? Oh, hey, look, I didn't even realize people have come to the chat. I should watch that. Oh. Did it receive them? It wasn't me. Activate. iPhone on. Did. Why are we stopping self? Oh. Oh, this is what we expected. Perfect. Let's change the code. That worked. On. Still get still a reset? Don't you it? I think this. Begin. Wait, what? To the internal port. Stop doing that. What is this packet? That's enough. But it just never responds. Okay, interesting. In. And it asks it to reset again. Do that. Stop doing that. Unknown port. Asking for a finish. What are we finishing? We were finishing anything. Stop doing that now. To build again. Press the. Watch it. Or. This is where I'm like kind of confused on even what to do. Setting. Don't do that. Oh, the flag is this 11. Did it eventually finish? No. Somebody on the Discord asked to combine Lightstore and JitStreamer. I mean, that's kind of what I'm doing right now, except the difference is that I don't need a separate server. I don't need a server at all. This should theoretically just work all on device if it would stop rejecting my packets. Doing that. This one back. Expected. Set. Want. Stop resetting. it's another ACK. The reset. Thinking that 11. Since it's not in, it's a reset. Finished. Why are we finishing? Doing that. Oh, that's because that's coming from that. Again. We for sure send is our initial acknowledgement of the sync with its own sync. We're going to acknowledge. Then after we send the acknowledge, we're able to send this. It's 31, right? Let's just make sure that this is actually and an acknowledge. Yes. Synchronize and an acknowledge. So that way we're actually sending packets. Good to go. Here, I expect acknowledge. Acknowledge. And this looks like. Why did we close? Edge. Yes. And then we acknowledge the 2 packets we sent. And after that, to finish, yes, for some, okay, I'm guessing what's happening is that it's leaving it for so long that locked it out and sends it finish. Yes. Oh, whatever the heck this is, then our request. Get this right. Okay, now sorry. That's exactly what I expected. It doesn't a 10 it is 10. LS. What's that? Send it. Oh, end of line, yes. Okay, so is that is end of line. It doesn't like 31. We incremented it. These things. Oh, you're good. Wait for it to build on thing. Two acknowledges right there. But we still don't get. Just gonna try and put that. Yo. And of course, we get our two acknowledgements we're expecting, but then the 00129, I am not what that, but I've seen my mobile device and this, so maybe it's important. I don't know. I'm writing a unit test to see if I can even get this to run at all, which as of right now, but iOS isn't rejecting the connection at all. It seems to be playing along for now, so I assume this will for sure work once we actually put it on the device itself, because it's not just terminating the connection immediately, but it's not working. What to do about that? Why don't we just like it? Try it the old-fashioned. Not the old. See what I can like show you exactly what the right mobile device sends, like through this. File, ego burr. That, send a ping, get our error, which is what I expected. As we can see, the first thing it sends right here, or the first thing we receive is this ping. And right after here, this happens right after. This should be our synchronize and acknowledge. What I expect this packet to be. Which it is. It's our synchronize and then our acknowledge. And set our acknowledge to. Then what we're gonna send this. See this 28. Why are we sending these bytes? I understand now. Oh my goodness. Before we actually send like the property list, we have to preface it with how many bytes we're about to send. So the first thing we're sending is the length of data in little endian. And then this the actual data itself. I understand now. Right? Calculate that. It's 256 plus 40, right? So it should be 296. I don't want to calculate. All right, let's load that up. You're thinking, Jackson, why don't you just like do it by hand? Wait, can we just specify what this type is right here? It's going to be U32. Right? Get mad by type parameter here. It's just going to be U30. Multiple lets. Length equals little endian bytes. Just print out to make sure that we're actually choosing the right little endian bytes. Length, preface, the actual casting. Are we happy about this? Kind of hard without IntelliSense. It's smoothly. Streaming from my MacBook really does not at all. Alright, let's do it again. Fire her up, see if it works. Says, I don't know what was going on earlier when testing stuff. Build that. Like William Osman has like his dances, like waiting for like laser printer 3. Kind of what I think. Wait, what am I doing? That is not what I wanted to run. Or I know what I'm doing. Go test. Connect. And ping. I do. Probably isn't what ruined. We didn't even get that far. I didn't even get the acknowledge. Again? On. Oh, there we go. Not a very good sign. It sent a finish. It didn't even respond. Oh. The wrong ending. My bad. Big Indian. Big Indian. Bad. Earn. What just connected? iPad still on or something? Oh, the iPad's on. On. Didn't do the thing again. This is how programmers go insane. Go. That didn't help. Even change anything like regarding to the connection. Why are we suddenly just not working right now? Literally like big Indian bites. That's illegal. And we do on. Good. Thing. Like choosing the same port? Same internal port? Would cause that, but the happening are so small. Unless like the seed kind of broken. I know. Switching it from like little to big Indian shouldn't even have been what broke it. I'll switch it back. And it should still be broken, right? It wouldn't have been what broke it. What? Okay, now I'm actually going insane. That can't be would have broken it because I'm just like switching the order. This doesn't have anything to do with the connection. You know, like have you guys like seen the meme? Like like where the bill where it says like programming's not stressful at all, and then it says like Bill, 21 years old. This is why. This is why. Connected. I was gonna go insane there. But we need to receive. Okay. I know what to do next. Need to this is the yes, because it says 0129. That means it's like prefacing it with how many bytes we're planning on receiving. What we can do is we just do the same thing again, hopefully. Warp. And do the exact same thing. Go to X question mark. Rest isn't hard at all. You don't have to crap things like build, connect, go. Yes. Oh my goodness. Did it work? Got the correct thing. And put this into the converter. Place the hex here. Good get. Yes. This is perfect. All right, time to ping the people on Discord saying figured out. This took way too long to figure it out. Bing, bing. Oh my goodness, I figured it out. Perfect. All right, now goal number 2 of today. Goal number 2 was to see if we can slap it on an iOS device, which actually I think I'm just gonna skip for now, because I think Nick wanted to take care of that. So we're just gonna skip to step number 3. All right, now, children at home who are watching, cover your eyes. It's horrifying. Oh my goodness, I have prints all over. It's horrifying. Nobody wants to see that. Oh, oh, cringe. So what we are going to have to do, horrifying. Oh, prints is there's a really nice crate called Log. Pretty good name. Log crate. And it's kind of interesting because you have to like use a different one to implement it. I've actually used this one, this environment logger before, and I actually use it for JitStreamer and then NetMuxD. But because this is planning on running on an iOS device itself, you can't really set environment variables like that. So time to look into different ones, I guess. That prints. All right. Exactly what we want. Simple logger. Prints. I think this might work because I want it to be static since it's having to be called from C code anyway. But just for fun, try this one called simple log. Any different? I do not like that word. Color support. I do like colors, but I don't think iOS supports colors. Does it? I've never seen different colors in Xcode before. I'm thinking no, probably not that one. Pretty environment, no environment. Probably not. Flexi logger. Ooh. Flexible and easy to use the logs to the error. You know what? We'll just go with simple. I can understand what this is doing without spending too much time, so we're just gonna go with the simple logger. Call it. Throw that. Awesome. Or go. Put it. I like simple logger. 2.3.0. Right, that was the version. Right, how do we? Oh, yes, I've used this. It's the same macros, and we can do stuff. Oh, right here. Library. I think I just want like a outside of a test. I just want to find a trick. I can. Where's the arrow? Mini. Because I'm gonna like make this be compatible. Need to do this. I'll just put it straight in the bindings because put it down here. Then we need to somehow like set the log level. Corn. Okay. Oh, we probably need to get the log crate. Oh. What is the new version of log? It 0.4.0. Close that. And we're probably just gonna see. Assign integer, and we'll just assign a number to each log level instead of doing fancy strings or goodness. You okay? No need to return anything because this should not fail. And we will return integer. We'll do 0 if it succeeds, -1 if it fails. It's good to me. We need to set the level. These already have set to string. Oh, these already from string. Oh, it's from usize. We don't even have to do any of this. Nice. Perfect. Copying to the comment. Let's match level. Can we just perfect? I don't even care about the good. And then turn -1 if it's match this to. Kind of errors do we have? I did. Oh. We will just return 0 or a -1. Easy. Easy. Look. Here. Then we'll just does that look good? What's in between these? Purple. Should have done this. Beautiful. Better not put any trace. kind of surprised that Flippy's not mad about me putting an externc function that's not listed as unsafe. Good. Turns. Oh. Turns. Success. Perfect. Beautiful. That's the most beautiful I've ever seen. Well documented. Perfect. Now, place all the print lines. Sounds like a lot of you on stream. Replace print lines. Warren. Why don't we just replace that with Warren? Big danger. Info. Care about. Right. Where's the macro? You. Probably just gonna remove most of it by the time. Gonna leave that as a print line. Let's put that as oh. Thank you and listen. Going to tests alone for now. Warren. How hard is it to just use the macro instead? Good. Gonna go with that for now. In Warren. Error. Go the error mac. Out of that. Log. Weird. Oh. That's Warren. Warren. Any unexpected all this. Error. Should probably be. One. Perfect. All done. Well, I think we've replaced all the logging. Should actually add here. Spam. Well, it will spam. It will spam it different. Oh, we left goal 2 for Nick. I think we got all 3 of our goals done today. 2 of 3 goals done today. We fixed it so that way we know for sure that it's getting to the iPhone's IP stack and I'm not just crazy. We skipped number 2 of actually like on the iPhone works over localhost. I'll leave that for Nick to figure out. Step 3, put a logger, which did do. Probably works great. Yeah. Actually responded. Might just put it on my effort. Would be cool. Oh, I'm just so happy that this is exactly what maybe we should test. Assert. Assert the res trick. To transport. Transport. Oh my goodness. Don't care about that. The bike. Okay. Time. Equal arrow. B. Anything else? We're going to insert false. That did. Oh. X. Oh. To decimal. It looks like no labored. He ain't doing it. Next to paste. It's exactly what I wanted. Thank you all. hexadecimal go burr. Fine, let's panic instead. Happy, Clippy, panic. Make sure that this works. Run it. The print line should be perfect. And it got exactly what it's expected. This print statement, because we actually we confirmed that that was actually working. Got exactly what we expected, how many bytes we were expecting, and the payload, which is correct, as it pretty good. How to actually run this on device. I think we'll probably for tomorrow. We have been streaming. We have been streaming for an hour and a half. Perfect. That's probably fine. Well, look, I figured out OBS magic. Like back when the iPad was working, I was planning on doing the iPad trick. My goodness, AC, both of them, except then the iPad today or iPad. They're there. Well, yeah, I think that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Like it if you liked it. Dislike it. Dislike. Amazing concept. Maybe hit the subscribe if you're into that kind of thing. Thanks for watching.